अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
17th Rabi'ul Awwal, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Khwaja Uwais Qarani Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, the leader of the divine lovers and the guide of the world. Sayyidut Tabi'een, Hazrat Uwais Qarani Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi belonged to Yemen. His heart was showered with refulgence and blessings. He was blessed with the boon of divine friendship and was chosen as a divine beloved. None knew him except the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, and who Uwais is and what grand status he had. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam told his beloved companions, Sahaba Kiram Ridwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'een, about his dignity, position and greatness, and ordered, whoever amongst you happened to see him should request him to supplicate for his forgiveness. He is the leader and the imam of all spiritual guides of tariqah, and is a guide to the awliya uzzam and saintly personalities. He illuminated the hearts of countless people with his holy luminosity and enriched them with spiritual excellence. Several people received great spiritual levels by virtue of his holiness. His blessings are still benefiting people and bring them grace, and will sustain it till the day of judgment. Sayyid al-Tabi'een Hazrat Uwais Qarani Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 17th of Rabi'ul Awwal. His holy shrine is situated in Damascus, Syria. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.